They're having lunch, eating crawfish.
Dinner, stupid.
Dinner. That's how you do it. See that? You pop the head, dip it in the sauce.
Slip and slurp.
Yeah. Why not?
I'm not eating the spice. I'm not eating the spicy one because it's too hot. So I'm eating the cream one.
Cream one's good too.
Yeah. I haven't tried the
What flavor is that? Oh.
Buttercream. This one's buttercream.
Oh my god. I'm too extra.
A whole tray for yourself?
The other one was China. The one that we killed the first time. You need a rush pig.
I think because we ate there.
It don't taste the flavor as much. No, Mama brought home.
Oh. Yeah, but I wasn't busy.
Yeah.
No, good air.
The crawfish last
Thank
time
you.
was really good.
Hmm?
The crawfish, yes, like,
How much was the crawfish?
Stop.
and this one is like stuck. This one's stuck, kind
40
of.
bucks.
5 pound,
See, I get it out.
$42. I think 22. But after tomorrow,
Eli, stop.
it's $9 a pound.
Stop it.
Where's the flat?
So it's gonna cost more.
I like the
So it's
flame.
gonna be 40 bucks tomorrow. For that, okay.
Yeah, you should buy it.
No,
See,
tomorrow's the
my
last
dad
day.
likes
Tomorrow you should buy 10
the
pounds.
spicy one,
Yeah, man, look at your
This
mouth.
place opening?
Grand opening.
and I like
But the grand opening ends
and
tomorrow.
I like this.
Oh, so there won't be any deals.
No,
After
this
tomorrow.
is, yeah, after tomorrow, no more deal.
But they're still selling food.
Yeah,
Yeah. But
all
no more.
seafood. Fried fish,
The
America
pulled
fried
pork,
fish.
the pulled pork is good. Pulled
Oh
pork.
boy,
Mm-hmm.
your favorite?
This shit is good.
When did you guys go?
When they first start opening.
No.
You didn't take me.
Saturday? Sunday?
Remember you came home, you ate a whole bunch of crawfish? I left you a whole tray?
Yeah. I left you a buffalo wing. The buffalo sauce is good.
Oh, you will. Look on it.
Mình like tránh it.
Ah,
Đấy nha. I ate a lot last week. Then came in,
Me
clean
too.
tiền.
Me
no,
too.
like 2 days ago.
2 days ago. I think tiền. I'll go 10 pounds tomorrow.
I'll pay half. Why not?
Right now we went over there. They only limit 5 pounds each.
Tomorrow, I'll pay half.
So we order 10, then I gotta put some
Check
order.
out my mom's
Barbecue
video
buffalo.
that we ate last time. I think like
20
3
pieces,
days
20
ago or 2 days.
That's a 20 piece?
Check it out.
I pay for the crawfish, you pay for the chicken.
How about he pay for the
Maybe tomorrow I should be able to get out a little early too.
Hello.
Okay, bye bye bong bong.
Bye bye.
Nha nha.